The FRAT NX module is Itoh Denki's latest model for 90 degrees transfer. It has the ability to smoothly and quickly transfer totes and products through 4 entry and exit points up to 2,250 totes per hour. Here we have an FRAT NX linked to 2 entries and 1 exit. As you can see, the totes are transferred one after the other, making sure that they never make contact and ensuring a constant flow without damaging the tote or creating a jam in the conveyor line. The unique flat transfer sequence developed by Itoh Denki can safely transfer even the most delicate of products without causing any damage. Let me show you how this works. In this case, the products must be transferred from this entry to this exit at a 90-degree angle. First, receiving information from the sensors placed before the FRAT NX, the module will adjust the position of the rollers to the same level as the entry and will receive the product. Secondly, the rollers will simultaneously move down while the wheels move to the top position. Finally, the wheels transfer the product to the exit line. This unique technology not only allows shock-free and errorless transfers, but also allows for easy installation, with all the entries and exits being at the same level. That is especially good if you want to modify your line or reassign entries and exits, or if you want to use a combination of FRATs for advanced sortation applications. With its limited spacing between the driving wheels and rollers, the FRAT NX is able to transfer a great variety of products from small to large goods up to 50 kilos. This can make a great difference for industries such as e-commerce and distribution centers who have to transfer boxes of all types and shapes on the same line with a high throughput. Another important aspect of the FRAT NX design is the attention that we brought to safety. Without the use of any pneumatics, this system is powered only by low voltage 24-volt DC motorized rollers. This eliminates the possibility of a dangerous electric shock. Secondly, all of the gaps between the moving parts have been kept below 5 millimeters, small enough to prevent any serious injury to your fingers. Because of this, the FRAT NX can be easily installed in a CE-compliant conveyor and will ensure the safety of the operators. To give you a few application examples, the FRAT NX could be used to optimize a sortation line with several exits, a picking station, and even a sortation table using several FRAT NX. The FRAT NX is available in a wide range of sizes, and with its compact cassette design, you can be sure that there is the right fit for your conveyor.